All right, truth number 4. How to be more profitable. This is an easy one. What's the fastest way to be more profitable?
Raise your prices.
That's it. Be premium. I watch too many entrepreneurs think, I'm new. I'm just getting started. I have to be the best and lowest price. I will never compete on price. If there's a market that dictates that we must compete on price, I don't play in that market. Every single business that I know, every entrepreneur that you see today that's doing high in the 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures on the internet, especially in the information marketing world, is not doing it selling low ticket items. Now let me preface that though, but you'll say, but look, he's selling a $30 ebook. Look, Ryan Dice has a $37 course, or Russell Brunson has a book, but they're selling these low ticket items, right? Do you believe they make a penny of profit on those? No. More than likely, they're all either a loss or what's called self-liquidating. They're there to break even, to capture a what? A lead. And then where do they make their money? Premium. On the premium. Look at the most valuable company in the world today. What is it? Apple. Do they compete on price at all? Not even remotely. And it's a shift in thinking. You know what? More than a shift in thinking, it's a shift in confidence. Because people get out there and they say, no, I can't sell my product for that much money. Why not? Find ways to add value. Quit competing on price. Educate. Create celebrity around whatever it is you're doing, and quit competing on price. Because if you want to compete on price, it quickly becomes a race to the bottom. And that, I know nobody that competes on price that is scaled up and maintained a lifestyle business that's putting lots of profit in their pockets. Right now, I know there's a huge trend on the Amazon side, right? Go source products from China and then sell them on Amazon. And if anybody in the room's doing that, great, there is a market there. Do I feel like that's a business I want to be in? No, because Amazon's all about having the lowest price, right? And at the end of the day, when you find a niche, you get in there, you start to establish yourself. Is it possible that somebody's eventually just going to come in and undercut you? Absolutely, right? I don't want to play that game. That's not a business I want to play. I want to create something sustainable, which requires databases, requires lists, becoming a trusted advisor. So, be premium. Don't be afraid to sell for a premium. Find a way to create value, to differentiate yourself. Learn copywriting, because without good copy, you can't sell at a premium. End of story, full stop. You need to understand the sales process.